Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you.
They are a high-rise.
Come and see what you've been missing.
Hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I am a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, having your own business, life in Buffalo, clothing hauls, travel, all the things. And today I am so excited for a little Abercrombie haul. Just realized I don't have my rings on, and whenever I don't have my rings on, I literally feel naked. My hand feels naked, so getting my rings. Get my wedding rings on, wedding bands. Grabbed a pair of underwear because I will need that for this little haul, because right now, as you can see, I am in gym clothes. This is the look right now. Got in a nice little short and sweet leg day workout to start the day. And now we're gonna do a little Abercrombie haul. I got two things in the mail from Abercrombie, two incredible fall staples, so I figured I would try them on for you, let you know what the items are, and yeah, let's get into it. So, as you can see, I am straight from a workout, still literally have on my workout clothes. I'm wearing my Gymshark minimal sports bra, Gymshark Adapt Seamless Fleck. I think these are the Adapt Seamless Fleck leggings. Literally, my hair is slicked back. I've got some hair coming out in the back, so don't mind that. I put a little bobby pin, but it's not keeping everything back like I'd hoped. So disregard my kind of messy hair, but I wanted to do a fun little Abercrombie haul. Because we have two packages, two different items to open. I am so freaking excited about these items. One is a pair of cargo pants, and if you saw my last Abercrombie haul, you saw me try these pants on and you saw that they were just a little bit too big. They're a baggy cargo pant and they were just too baggy for my taste. So I'm gonna try them on. I also have a sweater, and if you guys end up liking the sweater, you will definitely want to stay tuned because I have another sweater-centric Abercrombie haul that'll be coming in a little bit, and I'll obviously show you guys everything that I get, as I always do. So let's dive into the haul. Let's start with our sweater. Let's start with item number one, which is gonna be the sweater.
It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California.
So the item that I got is called the Textural Notch Neck Sweater. I got it in the light gray in a size extra small, and this was on sale, and I had like an Abercrombie reward. So this sweater in total ended up literally being $30.
I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria?
Here's the sweater. You can see just how soft and cozy it looks. Oh my God, like look at that fabric. It is little V-neck. I love this collar here. I love the bottoms of the sleeve as well as the bottom of the sweater. So this is the sweater.
Don't worry about a damn thing.
Let's just put it on and see how it looks and feels and fits. I'm very excited about this item.
Go with the palm trees. It's
Oh, this is adorable.
all or nothing, ignore the signs. It's all
This is so cute. Oh my God, it's also so soft. Abercrombie makes the softest stuff.
come and see what you
I love this sweater for a few reasons. Firstly, super cute. Second, super cozy. Third, love the length of it. It's not too long and it's not too short. It's not fully a cropped sweater, but it's not like a full, like long sweater. I just feel like it hits at the perfect length that like if I put my arms up, it is at like a cropped length. You know what I mean? Also, the sleeves are perfect. They're not too long, not too short. Oh my God, I just love this. I think this looks adorable with leggings. I think this would look super cute with trouser pants. It would look cute with jeans. I feel like this is kind of just a universal sweater that you can wear with almost anything, which is exactly why I got it. It's so cute. I just love this so much. So this is item number 1. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So now that you've seen item number 1, let's move on to item number 2, our baggy cargo pants. Okay, so I'm taking the sweater off, so just so that we're able to see these cargo pants in like an unobstructed view, because I don't want the sweater to be like too big or chunky or whatever for you guys to be able to see the pants. So hold on, I need to drop the camera and try the pants on so you guys can see them. So we have our cargo pants here. I originally got them in a size small, but they felt too big, so we exchanged them for a size extra small short. They're the high-rise baggy cargo pants. Let's see, I really hope these work, and if they don't, then I will just be returning them fully for a refund. I actually think that these are perfect. Let me step back for you guys to see the pant fully. These are perfect. They were way too baggy in the size small, whereas the extra small fits so nicely. It fits at my waist perfectly. The length is perfect. They don't feel too baggy. They feel appropriately baggy. Like, this is how they're supposed to fit. I love a lot of things about the pants. I love the deep cargo pockets here. I love the side pockets here. They snap. I also love the zip in the front. Long cargo pocket, side pocket. And front zip. This is what it looks like when it's not zipped or zipped. I just think these look so freaking cute. Oh my God, I love them. Let me put some sneakers on to see how they look with sneakers. Oh, I feel like this is a perfect shoe with the pants. Move the camera back a sec. What do you guys think? I absolutely love these. They're really cute. They're really comfortable. I honestly think that they're perfect. I feel like I'm actually gonna end up wearing these a lot this season as just like a fun, casual, but stylish kind of pant option. I wouldn't wear these for like a networking event or a speaking gig or anything like that, but I would wear these for like lunch with a friend. Literally, I'm going for lunch with my girlfriend on Friday, and honestly, I think I'll end up wearing these pants. I just feel like they're super cute. They're nice and loose and cozy, but they still have a good shape to them. And I just feel like cargo, like loose fitting pants are just becoming more and more in style. So I absolutely love these. Can't wait to hear what you guys think. These were, I also got these on sale. So these were on sale for $48. And these are the pull-on wide leg cargo pant. Like I told you guys, I got the dark gray size extra small short. So yeah, that's our little Abercrombie haul. I am so excited that both items worked out really well. It's just the best. There's nothing better than ordering yourself some clothes and everything fits exactly how you wanted, especially when you've made an exchange. I was nervous that these were gonna be too tight or small, and they're not. I feel like they fit perfectly, so what a win! So we did our little try on. I am back into my super cozy clothes. Matt is behind me making some pizza using the Caputo flour.
It's a dough ball.
It's a dough ball.
And it's gonna plop right in.
So we've got 4.
We will have 4, yeah.
We will have 4 doughs. Matt is plopping out he's dividing up the big mama dough into 4 baby doughs to put into containers here. So exciting. One of my followers, Kat, just DM'd me. She's like, Matt, we need a Chef Matt page. And I'm like, we really do. So I'm gonna start doing more like Chef Matt Chronicles here on YouTube. So I figured I'd show you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of the doughs. It's a little update. I have been getting a bunch of shit done. I have to switch out laundry, I think. You know what, maybe they could go for one more quick one. We've got these sheets. Let me do one more round for those. And I'm gonna hop into a shower in just a second, but wanted to show you guys. We have some updates to the gallery wall. So we got wedding photos printed. And so hold on, let me show you from the other angle what I added to the gallery wall. I'm so happy about it. This is how the gallery wall is looking. This photo is new, which I am obsessed with. That's from our wedding. This one is new also from our wedding. And this one, which I absolutely love. Matt hugging my dad. And our moms are hugging in the background. Also, you guys, I haven't shown you yet my new manicure. Gonna focus. You guys, look how good this manicure is. Every other finger is brown, and then we have a 2-tone brown situation happening for the French manicure. Oh, I'm obsessed. It's so good for fall. Literally love it. And I updated this gallery wall too. So that photo, that is one of mine and Matt's absolute favorites. That photo and that photo. I love how it looks. It's so nice to have wedding photos as a part of it now. So I think what I'm gonna do is end up taking, I had put the tiniest little bit of makeup off, so I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna get into a shower. I'm honestly probably gonna do my skincare. And then there's still like a little bit of meal prep stuff that I probably wanna do. So I'll probably take you guys along to see the final meal prep and or dinner that Matt and I make, because Matt has prepped some amazing pizza doughs. So I'm pretty sure we're doing pizzas for dinner. So I'll bring you guys along for a little bit at the end of the day too. We are like wrapping up our Sunday, but I wanted to show you guys the pizza because I told you that Matt had made pizza doughs. Oh my god, you don't even understand how good the pizza is. It's so fucking impressive. It's so good. It's light, it's chewy, it's amazing. Highly, highly recommend getting Caputo gluten-free flour or just Caputo flour. Whether or not it's gluten-free, it is the best flour. 10 out of 10 recommend. So if you guys enjoyed this Abercrombie haul that then turned into a little like mini day in the life, hit the thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video.